Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to buy Bitcoin on Binance. So first, make sure that you're logged in your Binance app. Now at the right side, click on More. Then from here, click on Buy Crypto. Then at the top, from USDT, change it to BTC. Under the BTC, you'll see my coin 28,360. Then if you click the mini move, 14.48 USD will appear. And if you click the max, 19,304.55 USDT will appear. So after that, you can click the buy BTC on your Binance. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.